So for this screencast, we're going to show you how that you can use IXL at home to help your students with their learning. IXL is a math program we use in school and that you can be using at home with your students, whether you have the laptops taken home or any of your computers. So the first thing you just want to do is open up an internet browser. Doesn't matter which one you open. So you can be Safari, it can be Microsoft, anything you want. And you're just going to type in www.ixl.com. And when you come to here, you'll have a username and a password that you have to put in. So I'm going to use one of my kids for an example and show you what you can do in it. And then if you'd like, you can come up to me or Miss LaPaglia at the front of the room and we'll give you your student's username and password so that you could check out what we were doing on our video. So let me type that in. Okay, so once you get in, they should have their name up here, and then these are all the skills that are at your level. It should go straight to your children's grade. If it goes to the wrong one, like if it jumps on kindergarten, then just push it to the grade you're in. So this is a second grade student of mine. So anything that they have this little medal next to right here is something that they've completed. So you can see there's 100 next to them, and they complete with medal. If it shows a medal and a number, that means they've done it more than once. So he's done this skip counting more than once. So he's got 36. He's already done it once, completed it. Now he's got his medal and 36. If it has just a number next to it, that means how far they are to complete. So he's at 76. He needs to get to 100. So he still has a little bit to go for skip counting puzzles. So you can see there's a lot of different skills that the kids can work on in math through this IXL program. So when you go back to the top, this is where you really can look at and see what they've been doing. The thing you want to look at is reports. So you can click on reports, and then it comes up with all these different reports that you can look at. So I want to just show you a quick few of them. So you want to have the data range being the full school year. So you can change that by clicking here if you need to. So this is the school year. You can see what they've done in school and at home the whole entire year. So first, just on this main page, it's really easy to see how much time they spent. So September, October, November, December, seeing how much time they're spending on this. And then you can look at how much time they've spent on each category. And the really important one is trouble spots. So when you click this one and you click trouble spots, what this will give you is ones that the students are struggling on. So you can look. So these are ones that they need improvement on. So this one, he has 15 correct, he's missed 6. So you can see how many they got right, how many they got wrong. And you can even click on the numbers and see the problems that they've done. So these are all the problems, and once they load, I can see what is the problem he got. So I can see he got this one right in the 5th letter of the passage. The correct answer was E, and he chose E. So this is just underneath. So you go, once again, you go to trouble spots, you click trouble spots, and then you can look through. So this is an easy way to look and see what your kids have gotten wrong. So all the ones that needs improvement, he needs to keep working on it. Now some of them will show, if they only show 1 or 2 minutes, they'll show needs improvement just because they haven't done it enough. So if it's only at 1 or 2 minutes, there's nothing to worry about. Let them get more time on it. But if it's showing more than that, if it's showing 5, 10, 20 minutes, or however long, if they still need improvement, then that's something you look at to help them with. And you can look through the problems and try to help them. So right now, if you would like, please come up front to me or Miss LaPaglia and get your child's IXL numbers, and then you can come in and sign in just like your kid would. All right, thank you very much.